I've been doing school for like 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours actually, 8, but guess what, I have 5 left. Okay, so I'm gonna read a book. Oh, so look at a book. Oh man, this is my yearbook. And when I did go to like public schools, that was my principal. You gotta find me. Show anybody else, or just show me. Oh. That's nice. Sorry. Man, but then he got fired because he was so rude. So then, we got a good teacher. He was awesome. Back up. I have a lot of best friends. I was supposed to have that teacher. Supposed to have that teacher, but she moved schools, so now I have a nice teacher. She was so nice. She's awesome. She does. Now watch me whip, watch me nay nay. I wanted Miss Ritter. She was awesome. What? Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. What are those? What are those? I'm gonna show you my cousin. Okay, I'm gonna show you my cousin. I gotta find him. His name is Brentley. Brentley. And he's mean. He looks exactly like his brother. Right there. But yeah, so I gotta read. Oh, did you hear that? I tapped out. What? We're going on a bear hunt. Read that book. But it's not a 5th grade book. Not really, no, I can't screw it up. We're going on a bear hunt. I'll read it. Okay, read the tale. I had good. First right here. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a bear. What a beautiful day. We're scared. Oh, oh, grass. Oh, wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under. Oh, no. We gotta go through it. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. I can't say that. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. Oh, what a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, a river. Deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under. Oh, no, we gotta go through it. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash. Going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. Oh, what a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, no, we can't. Oh, we can't. Oh, we gotta go through it. Squirt, 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 squirt. We're gonna get some. Oh, what a beautiful day. We are not scared. Oh no, a forest. Big forest. Stumble trip, stumble trip, stumble trip. Okay, then a snowstorm. Then a cave, and then there was a bear in there. Yep, and then now they have to get back in, and they have under the covers. We're not going on another bear hunt.